Okay. Can you do this question for me? Not this one. Wait, let me give you another question. Um, it's okay even if you don't know how to do it. Just try to do it and then we'll do it together, okay?
Okay.
Are you able to do it?
Yes, I'm almost done. Just a
Okay.
second.
And you should read on the Cambridge board, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I got -7 as the remainder.
-7 as the remainder. Okay, let me check.
Yeah.
Um, that's not the answer you should be getting. Let's do it together, okay? Let's see what how where you went wrong. Okay.
Okay.
So we have 6x squared plus 5x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So initially we'll be dividing the first term with the first letter over here. So 6x squared upon x is 6x. Then we multiply it. It gives me 6x squared minus 6x. Then I change the signs, yes? When I change the sign, 6x squared becomes subtracted. So 5 plus 6x is 11x. And I bring down the next term, 11x minus 1. 11x divided by x will give me plus 11. Then I multiply it. 11x minus 11 minus plus and you have 11 minus 11, and then so this will be 0, and 11 minus 1 is 10. So you should be getting 10 as your remainder.
We won't bring 5x separately before bringing -1 down.
We did subtract 5x, yes? We subtracted 5x from -6, so it becomes 11x.
Okay. Okay, got
Added.
it.
So now we do not need to bring it down separately. Let's try to do another question. So we have x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. Try to do this one.
I'm getting -33 as my remainder.
Minus 33. Let me check. Let's do this together as well. Okay. What was your answer?
-33.
No, the quotient. What is the answer you're getting over here?
Oh, x squared plus 2x minus 12.
Okay. This you're getting correct, but the remainder is incorrect. Your answer is correct. The remainder is not. Let's see.
Is it
5x squared. Yeah?
Is it supposed to be 39, the remainder?
Yes, 39.
Okay. Okay, got it.
You understand where you went wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Did you forget to change the sign?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. All right. So now let's do a word problem. So the question says the expression 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus ax minus 5 gives a remainder of 7 when divided by x minus 2. Find a. How do you think we do this?
Um, so
They've
it's
given us the expression,
hmm,
yeah, they've also given us what it's being divided by. And they've
Yeah.
given us the remainder when it's divided by this. So the remainder is 7. Is it a factor or not?
Yes.
Is it a factor?
No.
No. So it's not a factor, yeah? Why?
Yeah.
Because the remainder is not 0. Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I know when I will divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus ax minus 5 by x minus 2, I will get the remainder as 7. Yes?
Yes.
So the factor of this x minus 2, it can be written as x is equal to 2.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can put in x as 2 in my equation plus 2a minus 5. What will this be equal to? 7. Yes? If it
Okay.
would have been a factor, I would have written 0. Yes?
Yeah.
But right now, when I will put this in, it will give me an answer of 7. So
Okay.
when I solve this, I'll find a. You understand?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let me give you another question like this. Can you solve this for me?
Okay. That's x plus 3.
This is 3. Yes, x plus 3.
Okay. Can the answer be in decimal?
It can be in fractions, yes.
Okay. In that case, I got 52 over 3 or 17.33.
Okay, let me check. But the answer is not in decimals or fractions in this case. I
Okay.
think you made a calculation error. So we have 3. You put in x as minus 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
minus 3 cubed plus b into minus 3 squared minus 7 into minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 17.
Yeah.
Okay. Minus 3 cubed will give me what? 27. Minus 27 into 3 minus 81. Minus 3 squared would give me plus 9b. Minus minus would be plus 21 plus 5 is equal to 17. Yeah.
Yeah.
Minus 81 plus 21 plus 5. 9b minus 55 is equal to 17. 17 plus 55 will give me what?
Um, 72.
72 divided by 9. Did you make a calculation error?
Yes, 8.
Yeah,
Okay, got it.
got it? Okay. All right. Okay, do this question. We'll be practicing different questions for this today, okay?
Okay.
And also, do you have any book that your school is using?
Not at the moment. I didn't purchase it yet.
Okay, okay. Have they given you a PDF version of it?
No.
Okay. When is your school starting?
At the end of August, the last week.
All right, all right. Try to do this question. This is very easy, okay?
Okay.
Just tell me what it means. What will you be doing? Walk me through it. It says x minus 2 is a factor of this equation. Find the value of k. What does it mean by factor?
The remainder is 0.
Yes. So what will you be doing?
Okay, we'll do the same in the same way as we did before.
Yeah.
The
Yes,
last
but
question.
you will equate it to 0 now. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Is k minus 20?
Minus 20.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Let me send you a question now. I'm sending you a question on the group, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you check the group?
Yes.
Okay. Try to do question 11 and then question 12.
Okay.
Do you understand the question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm done with question 11.
Okay. What did you get?
For A, I got minus 23, and B, I got 25.
All right. Can you tell me what? Can you tell me your working?
Okay, I solved simultaneously.
Yes. Send
Um,
me your working. I want to see the working.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the question is saying that it leaves a remainder of 7 when divided by x minus 2. So you plugged in x as 2. All right.
Oh, I think I
Okay.
know
You
where I
did
went.
2 cube. 2 cube is, what is 2 cube? 8. And 8 2 is 16, yes?
Yeah.
You've written 28.
No, I
In the
think for
first,
the second, I made the first equation right, but for the second one, I took the remainder 7 again instead of minus 3. So
no,
that's where.
that too, but you've also done a calculation error in the first equation.
Oh,
Because 2
okay.
cube is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is 16. You've written it as 28. Can you do this again?
Okay.
Yes. What will help you in these questions is to write down the information the question is telling you. So for example, if I were to do this question, I would have written down, it gives me a remainder of 7 when it is divided by 2. So when x is 2, I will get 7. Okay, and a remainder of minus 32, 34 when it is divided by x is equal to minus 2, I will get minus 34. So when you're doing the question, you will be able to reflect back on the information, okay?
Okay. Actually, the 28 I wrote was for, uh, I added that side. For example, I did 2,
Okay, okay.
16 plus 3,
All right,
16
all right.
12. 16 plus 12.
Okay,
So
that
that's
makes
why.
sense. Okay.
Okay, now I got A as minus 13 and B 15.
B as 15.
Yes.
Your A
And
is correct, your B is still wrong. Can you
why?
check B again? I
Yeah.
think there's a calculation error for
Okay.
B.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, got it? What's
Yep.
the answer?
5 for
Yes,
B.
perfect. Yes. Was there a calculation error?
Yeah, I didn't change.
Okay. All right. So you got A as minus
Minus.
13 and B
Yeah.
as 5, yeah? So if I were
Yeah.
to rewrite the equation, it would have been 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 13x plus 5. Now in your exam, how you can check if your answer, these questions are very easy because you can also check if your answer is correct or not. So how can I check it? I can plug in either of these and see if I'm getting the correct answer. So if I were to plug in 2, I should get 7, yes?
Yeah.
So if I plug in 2 over here, can you plug in 2 in this equation? 16 plus into 2 square is 12 minus 13 into 2 is 26 plus 5. So plus 31. 16 plus 12
Yes, I'm getting 7.
minus 31. Yeah,
Yeah, I got 7 as the remainder.
you got 7. Yeah. So this is how you check these questions, okay?
Okay.
So you can also check the answers. Okay, do question 7.
Question 12.
Question 12, yes. No, actually don't do question 12, do question 17.
Okay.
Read question 17, take your time, and then I want you to discuss it with me as well.
Okay. The play of words.
Yeah,
Is difficult.
it's not difficult. Break it down. Let's break down the question. So it's saying the remainder when the expression x cubed, let's write down the expression x cubed minus 2x squared plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2. So when it's divided by x minus 2, it's 5 times the remainder when the same expression is divided by x minus 1. So when it's divided by x minus 2, this is equal to 5 times the remainder and it's divided by x minus 1. Understand?
Yeah.
So this is how I made the first equation. So I will put in x as 2 first. So can you put in x as 2? It's going to be 2 cubed minus 2 into 2 squared. So 0 and 2x plus b. 2a plus b. This is my equation that I got by putting in x as 2. Did you get the same equation?
Just a minute. So you replaced, no, you put 2 as the in
First you will
front of
put x
earlier.
as 2 and you will equate it to 5 times x is equal to 1.
Okay.
Are you clear till here?
Yes.
Yes. So when you put in x as 2, what do you get?
Hold on. Um,
Are you having some confusion?
we'll put x as 2 in the equation, right? That
Yes,
x
in this
cubed minus.
equation. Yes, this equation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's only 2a plus b.
and then you will put x as 1. It is 5 times x is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus a plus b. Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you solve this equation? Plus 5a plus 5b. So 2a minus 5a is 3a minus 3a. B minus 5b is minus 4b is equal to minus 5. So 3a plus 4b is equal to 5. This is your first equation. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Read it again. So they're saying the remainder when this expression is divided by x minus 2, divided by x minus 2, we divided it by x minus 2, is 5 times the remainder when the same expression is divided by x minus 1. So we divided it by x minus 1 over here. You understand?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's move forward. Then it's saying and 12 less than the remainder when the same expression is divided by x minus 3. This is all about interpretation of English. It's not maths, okay? It's all English. So now
Okay.
it's saying the when it is divided by x minus 2 and 12 less than the remainder when the same expression is divided by x minus 3. So when it is divided by x minus 2, it is 12 less than the remainder when it is divided by x minus 3. So where will I put 12? Can you tell me?
I don't know.
Okay. So they're saying when it is divided by x minus 2, it is 12 less than the remainder. So when it is divided by x minus 2, it has 12 less of a number than the remainder when it is divided by x minus 3. Okay. So if I subtract minus 12, if I subtract 12 from x minus 3, will it be the same as x minus 2's remainder?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because what is it saying? It's saying when we have x minus 2, for example, I get 20 when I divide by x minus 2. Okay.
Okay.
And so this 20 is 12 less than the remainder when I divide it by x minus 3. So
Okay.
would this be a plus or would this be a minus?
A minus
Why a minus and why not a plus?
because it's 12 less than.
It's 12 less than the remainder when the same expression is divided by x minus 3. So this is 12 less than, yeah? It's saying when I divide by x minus 2, it's 12 less. However, when I divide by x minus 3, it's greater than 12, yes?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So there'll be a minus over here. You understand?
Yeah. I did.
Are you sure you understand?
Yes. Mm.
Okay. All right. So now you will put in x as 2 again. So we have a number of x minus 2. So this will be x is equal to 2. So over here also we put in 2. We got 2a plus b. And over here you have to put in x as 3 now. Can you put in x as 3?
Okay. In the main equation, right?
Yeah. Are you done?
No. Just a minute. getting the equation minus a plus 2b equals minus 3.
Yeah.
I'm getting the equation as minus a plus 2b equals minus 3.
What did you get over here?
So it was 3 cubed minus 2 into 3 square plus 3a
Yes.
minus b minus 12.
Yes. Yeah.
And then I directly took it over there. So over here I got minus 3 because I shifted all the a's and b's to the left hand side.
Yeah.
So I got minus a plus 2b equals minus 3.
Can you send me a working? I think you've done an error, calculation error.
Okay.
When you bring this p over, why do you have minus p over here? On the right hand side, why do you have a minus p?
The equation, the main
The
equation.
equation has a plus p, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Change that. So you'll be left with minus a is equal to minus 3. So a is equal to 3.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you can plug this a in this equation and find out b. So 3 into 3 plus 4b is equal to 5. 9 plus 4b is equal to 5. 4b is equal to 5 minus 9 is? So b is minus 1. Do you understand the question?
Yeah, I did.
Yes, I want you, but after this class, I want you to not look at the working and do this question again. Mark, I've sent you the questions, yes?
Yeah.
I'll tell you which questions to do. Wait. Do question 10 to question 17. I'm sending you the answers as well, okay?
10 to 17.
Yes, I don't want you to look at the working that you did right now.
Okay.
This is for homework, okay? Not right now.
Okay.
All right? I'll send you the answers as well.
Okay.
Okay? So over here, it's just a play of words. The concept is already clear. It's all about interpreting the English, okay? It's not maths. All right? Okay. Okay, now let's look at if they had given you a question where they're saying x cubed. In the questions up till now, they had given you at least one factor, yes?
Yeah.
And then you had to determine the other two factors, yes? Okay. So over here, you have a question x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. This is a cubic equation. I want you to factorize it completely. The question will just say factorize the equation. How many factors do you think this equation will have?
3.
3 factors?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's a cubic equation. Okay. So to be able to divide it, you need at least one factor, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how will we find out this one factor? You will find out the first factor through trial and error method. How do we do this? You will just plug in random values in the equation to see which value is giving you 0. So first you will start with x is equal to 1, then x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 3. When you reach up to 4 or 5, you will get the answer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's try to do this. Plug in these values and see which is giving you. Just go by the order, okay? And see which is
Okay.
giving you a 0. Use your calculator to do this. And then tell me the first factor, okay?
Okay. So the answer should be 0, right?
You tell me, we need a factor. What should the answer be?
0.
Yes.
So for 1 and minus 1 and 2, I'm getting remainders. That's probably
Okay.
not it.
So those are not factors.
Yeah.
Try the rest of the numbers.
Okay. With minus 2, I'm getting 0.
Yes. Okay. So we got the first factor as minus 2.
Hmm.
Yeah. X
Yeah.
plus 2 is equal to 0. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now how can we find out the rest of the two factors?
Um,
We will
we
just
can
use the
x
first
minus,
factor.
yeah.
Yes. What are you saying? Tell me.
So we'll substitute x as minus 2.
Then you'll get 0.
Oh, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
divide it by x minus 2. Remember in the previous class we discussed if I were to divide a cubic equation with a linear equation, I will get a quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Yeah. This quadratic equation will give me two factors. Yes.
Yes.
So this is the second step. Now
Okay.
do this and tell me the quadratic equation.
Okay.
This this will also give you a 0, okay? Because all of these are factors.
Okay.
It's x plus 2, okay? Not minus 2. I wrote minus by mistake.
Okay, so my coefficient is x squared minus 7x plus 12.
Okay. So we have x squared, then we multiplied it. So we got x cubed plus 2x squared. Signs change. I get 7x squared minus 2x. I bring this down. I'm left with plus 7x. 7x squared multiplied 14x. Signs are changed. I'm left with minus 16x. I bring the last term down, plus 24. Six, I'm minus 16, minus 16x. Can you send me a working?
Yes.
Can you factorize this equation and tell me the answers?
Okay, just a second. I'm getting x as 4 and 3.
4 and 3, that's perfect. So what are the factors?
Minus 2, 4, and 3.
So how can you write the equation? How you write the equation is basically you will do x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24 is equal to x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to do this question. 3x cubed I want you to factorize this equation completely.
Okay,
Okay?
so for this also we'll do trial and error first.
Yes.
Okay.
In the end, you will give me 3 factors. Okay?
Okay.
Have you written the equation?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the first factor you got?
X minus 2.
Okay.
Miss, is it fine if my factors are in fractions?
Yeah, just write it in terms of factors, okay?
Okay. So the three factors I got are x minus 2, x plus 1 over 3, and x plus 4.
So write it like this. So your factors that you got are correct, but write it like this. So don't write 1 upon 3. So it'll be, you got x minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 0, yes? So you can write it as x is equal to 1 upon 3. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay?
Okay.
We'll write
Okay.
it
Okay.
like this. You understand?
Yes, I did.
Okay, perfect. Let me send you some questions right now, similar to these, which you can practice as well. Okay. So for uh, this page you will be doing, wait, let me just stop the recording.